Alright guys, so today I'm doing a review of these Vietnamese Vien beef balls. I've always had the Chinese type, but I never had the Vietnamese type, so I'm going to do a quick review, so we're going to cook them up. These are beef, sugar, you look at pepper, sesame oil, and corn flour, so it's actually not many things in there. But there's the nutrient panel, so let's cook it up. I'll be back, guys. Alright, so here's the beef ball I cooked up. There it is. It looks a little bit almost the same, but maybe less. Let's just try this out first. Okay, so taste wise, compared to the traditional Chinese ones, I almost find it less oily, but it's still kind of juicy, and the texture is not as springy as the Chinese ones, but it is more dense and it does have more juice. So definitely check it out. If you have any questions or comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.